One of our customers was an established print shop in the region since many years. The major customers were local community and local business owners who were placing orders with them via walk-in, email, and phone. One of the major challenges was after placing order, every client was calling and emailing to know the order updates. So they had one person on the phone whole day answering the calls and giving the order updates. And many customers were frustrated calling again and again. One day, the owner was placing an order on Amazon and he received instant thank you email with order updates and details. He realized that now his customers are also looking for similar Amazon experience and how he could also provide proactive order updates and drastically reduce client calling for information. If he could achieve Amazon experience, which means happier customers and more repeat business. OnPrintShop helped them achieve the same. Now his team enter all orders in OnPrintShop, whether they get from email, phone, WhatsApp, or walk-in. Solution Hotstore generates thank you email, invoice, and sends job ticket along with the print-ready file to their production team. And production team updates the statuses. It automatically sends notifications by email and SMS to the customers. Now clients are easily able to track orders online. They also have a My Account for future reorder. This has helped our customer reduce 60% of manpower needed to process orders and 90% reduction in customer asking questions while placing an order. Do you want to offer Amazon experience? OnPrintShop can help you do without IT team at a very affordable price. Visit www.onprintshop.com.